In this video, I will tell you how to find your transaction history in Phantom Wallet. So first, what you need to do is open the Phantom Wallet app and make sure you are logged into your account. Without logging in, you won't be able to access your transaction history or other personal features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Here you can see an overview of your account, including your total balance and all the tokens you hold. The home page also gives you quick options like receive, send, swap, and buy, which are key for managing your assets and transactions. To check your transaction history, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll find icons for home, swap, recent activity, and search. Tap on recent activity. In this section, you'll see every transaction linked to your account. If you haven't made any yet, it may appear empty. But if you have been using Phantom Wallet, this is where all your activity will be displayed. Each transaction is listed in order, and you can tap on any of them for more details such as the date, amount, and tokens involved. This feature makes it easy to keep track of your finances and verify everything is recorded correctly. Reviewing your activity regularly helps you stay in control of your digital assets. That's how you find your transaction history in Phantom Wallet. Thanks for watching.